So, guys, this is my grandpa's thumb. My grandma said, don't bring the makgeolli, just bring the soju. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Yes.
감사합니다.
잘했어. No,
기다려.
it's not your.
Yeah, you're gonna be tipsy.
He gets to get buzzed.
Yeah.
You're gonna be drunk. Grandpa, I'm so happy right now because I feel it. My grandpa greeting for us.
Grandpa must be proud of
Yeah.
you. You miss him?
Of course, I miss a lot. In Korea, we say 만남 있으면 이별 있다. 이별 있으면 만남 있다. That means my grandpa passed away, but I met, Ahmed and Aksha and Hindus and Q. So that is present by my grandpa, I guess.
Yeah. Hi, Hindumi.